My topic is inspection and palpation of the chest and percussion and auscultation of the abdomen. So now let's start the examination of the patient. Hello guys. So let's start about the inspection. Inspection. It is an active process and it is done with the eyes and the intellectual. It begins with the initial greeting and continues ininterruptedly during the entire data collection process. Even as the first serious question of the fully dressed patient is asked, the inspection begins through active observation. What to observe during inspection? That is skin integrity, shape and symmetry of chest, respiratory rate and rhythm, movement of chest, check spine and scapula also. First, you have to introduce yourself and confirm the patient's identity. Being inspection, the patient in a seated position, unsupported if possible, and undressed to the waist. If the patient is too ill to sit upright, support assistance may be necessary. So let's start from work from the upper chest downward, comparing one side to the other side. So inspect the skin of the chest wall, like wounds, bruises, Guys, next is palpation. So let's examine the patient. So let's talk about the palpation. I will paint the chest to locate any areas of pain or tenderness or to assess any lesions or abnormalities you may have found during inspection. To assess respiratory expression, place your thumbs close to the patient's spine at the level of the 10th ribs and spread your hands lightly over the thorax. And so ask the patient to inhale deeply and exhale fully while you watch the divings of your thumbs and feel for the range and symmetry of movements. Next, using the balls of your hands, palpate and compare concentric areas for tactile perimeters as the patient repeats 9. So next further we talk about the percussion. So let's examine the patient. So let's talk about the percussion. Now the ninth region of the abdomen starting farthest away from any tender areas around the bowel usually makes the abdomen diffusely resonant, but this can vary. A full bladder will sound stony dull in the suprapubic region. Facial loading in the descending colon will be dull as will any intra-abdominal neoplasm. Normally, percussion is used to estimate the liver span. Abnormally, liver span is 10th to 12 centimeter. Okay, you push further index are there. Okay, it's over. Look, now it's gonna do the same thing. Looking for yours be per customer. Large spleen starting in the right iliac fossa and finishing at the left hypochondria. Okay, how can I guess? You just take this out here. Just this to assess for a fluid thrill. Ask the patient to place their hand sadly in the center of their abdomen. If ascites is present, the vibrations of the flexion transmitted from the right length to the left. Precaution is used to detect abdominal ascites. First, assess for shifting dullness as shown. Okay, they can you roll towards the remember to percost from the midline away from you and then roll the patient towards you.